How to create a GCash account complete setup guide for beginners. Welcome back, everyone. If you're in the Philippines or planning to visit there is one app that you absolutely need on your phone, and that is GCash. Now, in today's step-by-step tutorial, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to create a GCash account from scratch, get verified, and start using it for payments, transfers, bills, and much more. Now, whether you are new to digital wallets or switching from another app, this guide is beginner friendly and fully updated for the latest version of Gcash. So let's get started. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials like this one. Now, coming up over here, what actually is Gcash? Now, we can see Gcash is a popular mobile wallet service in the Philippines. Now, you can perform various financial transactions. You can make payments, money transfers, Gcash card, and even account security. So to get more in detail, we're going to go over to the Gcash website. It's a mobile wallet powered by Global Telecom. It lets you send money, receive payments, bills, buy, load, shop online, and even invest, all through your smartphone. Now, it's available on both Android and iOS, and you don't even need a global SIM to use it anymore. As long as you have a valid mobile number and an internet connection, you are pretty much good to go. So, to start off, to actually create an account, what you can do is first of all, come over to either their website or download their application. Now, you can download their application from the either Google Play Store or even the Apple Store. You can search for Gcash and tap on install. And once it's installed, you can open up the app and you'll be greeted with a welcome screen prompting you to register or log in. Now, on your laptop, what you can do is you can simply come over to their website and click on Get Started. Now, once you click on Get Started, it's going to be saying, giving you all of its features, like the bills that it pays and all of the other things. Send and receive funds for free to all of the Gcash users. You can even add your card in, and once you've downloaded it, register using your mobile number, which is pretty straightforward. You can sign up and you are going to be good to go. You can also upgrade your Gcash to get verified, and getting fully verified is a best experience. You can enjoy higher account limits. With increasing your wallet size, the amount of money you can store in your Gcash wallet on the basic is 10,000 Philippine currencies. And on the verified, you go up to 100,000. And same goes with the incoming and outgoing limit, which is 5,000 on the basic plan. But on the verified plan, you can again go up to 100,000. Unlock more products and features and be better protected against scammers. And also, getting verified is super easy. You can just submit clear pics of your ID, take selfies correctly, and just learn how to answer the form accurately, which is pretty cool. Now, if you're Filipino, you can go ahead and get access easily. If you are under 18, you have GCash Junior, and if you're anywhere abroad or overseas, you can use GCash overseas for yourself, which is pretty cool. And obviously, when it comes to the currency, if you were to go ahead and calculate PHP to the USD currency, you can see over here that 100,000 Philippine pesos is 1,736 US dollars, which is actually amazing. Imagine getting a wallet limit of $1,736 in a foreign country. That is more than what you can ask for. And obviously, this doesn't mean that you can't get more. You can simply, this is probably a daily limit, and you can change that for yourself. And obviously, when it comes to your phones, all you're going to need is your basic phone number. You will get a 6-digit verification code via SMS. You'll be asked to provide your full name, your birthday, your home address, and even your email address, where you can set a 4-digit MPIN, which is your personal security code, like a PIN for an ATM. Now, make sure your info matches your ID because you will need it later for verification. So once done, tap submit. And once you've done that, congratulations, you now have a basic Gcash account. But to unlock all the features, you will need to verify your general identity. So verifying your account is pretty essential to use features like sending money, cashing in, or withdrawing funds. Now, to do it, what you're simply going to be needing to do is open the app, go ahead and verify yourself. To verify, you're going to need a valid photo of your ID. Okay, now only your ID except your passport, driver's license, a health ID, voter's ID, or student ID. Okay. So just go ahead and use any of those. Take a selfie by holding up your phone and following the on screen guide to take a clear photo. And once everything is done, just confirm your details and you should be good to go. And once it's submitted, Gcash will review your application, which typically takes around 24 to 48 hours, and you will receive a text notification once your verification is approved. So once verified, you can go ahead and explore Gcash according to yourself. You can go ahead and see all of their features like the wallet, the save, borrow, and grow features. Okay. The home screen or dashboard will give you your balance at the top and quick buttons like cash in, which is basically adding funds into your Gcash wallet. Then send money, buy load, pay bills, Gcash card, invest money, save money, and G loan. Each of these features unlocks more financial flexibility whether you want to pay utilities, shop or online, or build savings. And also, to fund your Gcash wallet, just go ahead and tap on the cash in option on your screens. And once you do that, you will see various methods, which are over the counter, which is 7-Eleven, Palawan, SM. Then you have bank transfer with BPI, Union Bank, and others. You can also do it via linked accounts like your bank or even PayPal. Just follow the prompts based on the option you chose, and once you've cashed in, your Gcash balance updates in actual real time. Pretty cool, right? And obviously, you can move over to sending bills for yourself as well. So you can send them through Express Send for quick transfers, to bank account via InstaPay, or to a Gcash user via QR code. And to pay bills, just tap bills and browse hundreds of companies like electricity for Meralco or Vico, water for Manilat and Manila Water, telecom for Global PDT. For government, you can get SSS, PAG, IBIG, or NBI. Now, here are some extra features for your Gcash as well. You can link a Gcash MasterCard for yourself, which is pretty cool. And it's a really amazing feature that they actually provide you. So you can actually see that to pay or to grow, you can get a proper card for yourself. Pretty cool, right? And the best part is that you can use this MasterCard to not only withdraw, but also get credit. You can also get buy load and rebates. So buy load for any network and receive instant rebates inside Gcash. You can save money, open a GSave digital savings account right inside the app and earn interest. G Credit and G Gives, where you can get access to loans or pay in installments once you build your reputation. So these are the really cool features of Gcash, and now you can enjoy your benefits and secure money transferring. So if you enjoyed this video, drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'm going to be seeing all of you in the very next video. Have a great day. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.